Mr. Shah, let me come to you once again. The query was actually on IRCTC. So if we could get your view over there as well. Railway stock IRCTC, 800 is the buying price. They bought it last year, and right now they're sitting with the loss currently at 685. Do you think they should continue to hold the stock? Do you see growth in the long term coming for IRCTC?
So, IRCTC, the normal approach for people is that IRCTC is a government-owned company which caters only for enabling of ticket booking for related trains and travel. But IRCTC does a lot more than just booking tickets for Indian Railways trains. It has catering business also. And it is possible that with the new charter that the Indian Railways has planned in terms of introducing new trains, whether it is high-speed trains, whether it is dedicated freight corridor trains, whether it is trains, semi-high-speed trains like Vande Bharat, or a soon-to-be possible Mumbai-Ahmedabad, Mumbai bullet corridor. So, and of course, the Indian Railways is planning to have a much stronger presence of transportation and logistic with resolving the last mile connectivity issue. I won't be giving any specific in terms of buy, sell and hold, but IRCTC happens to be one of the strongest players in terms of the visionary change that the Indian Indian Railway Ministry is planning to bring in. And this one could be one of the biggest beneficiaries. I can't give a buy, sell and hold because we don't have a coverage card. We used to have it and then we've dropped it.
All right. So that's the view coming in on IRCTC, but let's move on to the next question. The next question is coming from Cochin by Thomas George. He says he wants a view on Zentech, 200 shares that he's bought at a buying price of 950 rupees. And he also has shares of Data Pattern that he's bought at 1500 rupees per share. What to do now? Now, the thing is that he's not given us the time horizon. But Zentech is a name that has been correcting for a while. Jigar, let me get your perspective on this. Zentech, what would be your view? I think he's already made his profit. Should he be booking out at this juncture? And Data Patterns, what would be your view?
See, first of all, in Zentech, again, there has been a very narrow range movement since last almost August 2025. The higher range is somewhere near 1600 and lower levels is somewhere near 1300. So I would suggest him to, add more at 1300 levels rather than booking profits, because overall daily structure is turning slightly positive based on RSI and MACD. So above 1500, there would be a very good move in this particular counter, at least till 1800. So I would suggest him to add around 1300 level. As of now, wait and watch would be the advice. And second stock is Data Pattern. On Data Pattern again, we had been seeing the multiple resistance near 3250 and currently trading below that. So unless until we are not clearing out this level, 3250, there is a chance we might see some pullback. So he can book partial profit at current levels.
All right, so that's the technical view on Zentech and Data Patterns. Thank you so much, Jigar and Gaurang, for joining us today and helping us with those technical and fundamental views. On that note, we'll let you go. That was the last talk of the day. Well, with that, we're completely timed out on this edition of Buy Now, Sell Now.